Just introduce yourself to the vlog. Wait, what's going on?
Oh, it's recording. This is Cameron Lee. He's Chinese.
The waves are too big, my dudes. So we're out here chilling with the motherfucking homies. Yes, blessa. Never stressa. Good game, fam. Me and Tiare, we got that W. Sorry, bros. Better luck next time. Yeah. Let me see the Polaroid, bro.
Let me see. Cutie.
Pull out the other one too.
Yeah. It was just for fun.
Oh, there's my thumbs up in there. You see it?
Get it.
And then there goes Zane in the water. Dramatic montage, bro.
Get it.
Oh. You made a good decision there, Zane. That was a big one. Okay. I'm literally hitting it with the back of my hand. Yo, this is a way to hit it with the back of your hand. Not the way, apparently. You with the waves, bro. Shit. Them bitches are huge though, bro. Whoa, my dudes. Oh, you fuckers. Get out. Get out, Hollies. She thick the waves, am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Whoa, it's zoomed in. Hello. Okay, thumbnail, guys. Thumbnail. I'm not ashamed right now. Thumbnail. Oh. Tiare, move a little for Zane.
Where's Zane?
Casey, come in a little bit. Okay. Noah has been added to the vlog.
How's it?
He's back.
Michigan man.
He apparently faked an Australian accent, bro. We'll get the story another time for the vlog. But we're here at Coffee Gallery, fam. Yes,
What is it? It's five.
Never stressa, and we're playing the typical rich man, poor man. Let's go.
I'm gonna show you my cards.
Whoa, show it to the vlog. I won't look.
No.
I won't look, bro.
Okay.
The vlog can see it.
Oh wait. Okay, everyone has to show their cards.
Show yourself.
No, I can see all your cards.
Oh, you're cheating. Expected. Oregon.
Wow. Yeah. Everyone can see your cards. Suck. I can see your cards. I can see your cards. Okay, let's not do that. I really hope Noah's poor man.
Why?
Oh wait, I take it back.
Wait, no, you can't. You already laid it down. You already laid it down.
No one pounds.
What?
Okay, pounds.
Katie,
Yeah.
look, it's you on the pillow.
Huh?
It's you on the pillow, bro.
Which one?
Over there, yeah, look what it says.
Ho ho ho.
Nah. Okay, this is
Blur
PG.
this out though. They know what I'm doing.
We're vlogging and driving. It's fine. It's fine. I could put my car in autopilot because I have a Tesla. I'm gonna put Tesla logo right there. And oh shit. But you know, we're driving home from the beach, fam, and we're chilling. Successful beach day with the homies. And
Definitely got darker.
dude, yeah, for real. That shit was blazing.
Yeah, like I feel sunburned.
Yeah,
Dark.
bro.
That's Keith.
Tell them to wave. We should call them. Hey Siri. Call Katie. Hello.
Hi.
Bro, say hi to the vlog. You're on the vlog. Oh wait, put him on the vlog. Put him on the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, they're in the
Are they
van. This
waving?
is the audio.
Oh, they're waving.
Can you see them waving?
Yes.
Say hey.
Just wanted to tell you guys to say hi to the vlog. Oh shit. Okay, shoots, fam.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Shitties bros.
Shooties, bros.
Shitties bros.